Zach's done an amazing job taking this big tree down by hand. We got a hemlock hedge here, a fence. On the other side, a fancy yard and pool, a shed.